Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's very good to be doing another video for you guys. So before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also, if you find my content valuable, go ahead and give me that thumbs up so my video can be seen by more people. Okay guys, so today I want to share with you another money making app. So basically, where you're able to upload video, upload posts, and make a little money on the side. And this platform is by the Givvy developers. So you guys already know that Givvy does pay out. And also, guys, this is just a passive way of earning. So basically, what you're looking at here is posts from other people, and basically, we're gonna make evergreen content. Basically what that means is content that will be paying us out all through the year. Once somebody is liking, watching, commenting, we're gonna be making money passively just like that. So okay guys, as I said before, this platform is called Givvy Social. So yes guys, and now we're on the front page guys. So basically what you want to do guys is just post content. And the downside about this, sometimes when you're on the app for a very long time, they're gonna randomly prompt you to watch a video. Basically what they're saying is that's how you keep the social platform free. So yes guys, so that's not anything, it's just you're gonna watch a random ad. That's okay, not every time, but once you're on the app for a bit of time, you're gonna see that happens. That's the only downfall I have with this app. So guys, as you can see, there are different posts of people posting food, letters, where they're earning, you know, every little thing you can see here. So basically guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go over all the tabs, show you guys all you can basically earn, and basically how I've been earning. So guys, before I go into the video in depth, I just want to say this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you things and tips that I personally use, and I hope you guys find value in it. So okay, on the top guys, you can see that my score is 4,160 coins, and that's the Givvy Social coins. Those coins are what you're gonna be able to trade for your withdrawal to take out your money. So yes guys, also just for signing up, I with someone referral link, I've earned 3 cents just randomly. So if you guys are interested in using this app, I will leave my link in the description down below, so it'll be super easy for you to just click the link, make your very own account so you can start earning. Guys, once you have your very own account, you can go ahead and share your link so you're able to earn from that. So okay, so we're on the front page guys, and people have been just posting posts, posting posts, stuff like that. You can post, maybe if everyone is different, so maybe you can post of the way how you make your bed, whatever you're drinking, um just your shoes, clothes. People, animals, people post your drawings. It's up to you guys. You can, your car, your bike, it's up to you. Just post something that is very nice and very convenient, very valuable. Don't be rude, just do the right thing guys when you're posting, just to keep that into consideration. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to the start tab, and on the start tab you're gonna see basically um pics that are trendy, so just to keep that into consideration. So yes guys, also what they have here is a chat tabs. So if you want to chat with others, you can go ahead and do that. So yes guys, and for me, basically, personally, yes guys, you know what I mean. I'm just here to make a little money on the side. But if you want to say hi, hello to some person, you can go ahead and do that, communicate with others. That's nice. That's what they call it, Givvy Social. You can communicate with others, say hi, how are you, stuff like that. So yes guys, and also you can look up stuff. So you can look up people, you can look up tags, and you can look up post. So just to keep that into consideration. So now basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over to my profile. And guys, here I am on my profile. So as you can see, I just uploaded this video. Let me see. Oh, just a hour ago, approximately an hour ago. As you can see at the top, it says 57 minutes ago. And as you guys can see, just 57 minutes ago, and I've got 123 likes. I've got 13 comments, and this is basically a picture of a friend and I back when we were in school in Jamaica. So yes guys, so that's just my friend and I right there. So yes guys, and that's the way all you're able to earn. Once someone like your pics and follow you, you're able to earn just like that. So I will be go over and all of that also. So yes guys, as you can see, as I said, just post some nice pictures, very, something nice that could bring value to a person, stuff like that. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go over into the cash out section. So basically you can see here that they're just giving you so basically some information about the kinds, the like and the follow, so you guys can see what they mean and stuff like that. So as you can see here, I haven't meet the current payout um threshold. So yes guys, so this is another way how you are able to get more kinds. So basically what you want to do is just watch a random ad, and just by doing that, and a random video, and just by doing that you're able to earn likes just like that. And it's your likes that give you the coins, and those coins are then transfer over to payout thresholds. So as I said before, they do have a referral um promotion offer. So as you guys can see that they have tripled their coins just for you guys. So just to keep that into consideration, you want to go ahead if you're interested and take advantage of that. So yes guys, also here the coins. So if I go into the coins, okay guys, so now we're back in the section basically guys where you're able to take out your money. So basically what I've show you guys. So basically I'm following one person, and I have 38 followers. That's the kind I have, and all of those there. You can go ahead and edit your profile if you're interested in doing that. So yes guys, so basically what we're going to do go into is the withdrawal section. And as you can see here in the withdrawal section, one 10,000 of the coins is equal to 1 cent, and that is in US. So basically when you're earning with all Givvy platform, you will be earning in US. And also what I'll do, I'll leave um a link to some of the withdrawal provider in the description down below for you guys, so it to be super simple. So to you to just click the link of those, make your very own account so you can withdraw your money. And guys, when it comes to give a withdrawal, basically guys, it's pretty low. That's what I continue saying I like about Givvy. And you can take out those in Payeer, which I'll leave the link in the description down below. All of these will be in the description down below, so you can go ahead and check that out. So yes guys, these are their the payout provider. As you can see, they have Amazon, PayPal, so they have Litecoin and they have Binance. So you guys can choose from whichever one you're interested in. So yes guys, so guys, I hope you find value in this video. So basically, as I said before guys, it is pretty simple the way how you can earn and uh Givvy Social. As I said before, you can just upload random posts. As you guys can see here, they're just cute pics. As I said before, you can post your dinner, and the more posts you have, um the more likes you are eventually get. And also, guys, for some people, some people, they're just inside, they can't go outside. So when you take picture of nature and stuff like that, those people that are inside, if they're on Givvy Social, they do appreciate that. They do appreciate your effort of doing that, because sometimes nature do make people smile if you can't go and see it. So just to keep that into consideration, I will also be considering that myself also. So yes, guys, so as I said before, basically how you're able to upload a post, you want to go into your account, and you want to click this button here. So basically, I am unable to um upload the next post. So in the next day, so it's like every day they allow you to upload a post. So um after 2 hours, which is tomorrow around this time, I'll be able to upload another post. And once I upload that post, I will be getting some more likes. After I be getting some more likes, I will be getting some more coins, and then I'll able to transfer over my coins and take out my earnings, which I'll be taking out in some of their very um nice um provider payout, which I'll be using to invest. So yes, guys, and you, as you can see here, uh okay, guys, so before I go, I just want to say, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.